Another week where we're in the money. You know it. Welcome to the weekly stock market recap. I'm going to make this one nice and short and sweet like the other ones. We can get an idea of what happened this week, some news that brought it up, and I'm excited. So we see here, obviously this is a good looking chart, a couple different major bumps, and that's what I love to see. So good that I had dreams about this week. Love seeing those gains. So, obviously on the week, up 1.5% on the Dow, up to nearly 27,000. We're getting there. 1 month up 2% now, so we're up for the month, thank goodness. 3 months up 3%, and year to date up 14.88%. So, very good year so far. If we're looking at that year to date percentage, so we're excited. We don't look at the 1 year thing because, that one upsets me because we all got hit pretty hard. Before I go into the S&P, we're going to obviously look, how we do. Look at some of our top movers, if possible. They don't care about me, so, good thing here, Intel, love Intel, up 1.6%. Home Depot, up 1.3%. You already know it. No one took that big of a hit. So we're going to go ahead and be okay with that one. That excites me. So we're going to go into S&P now. Look at our 5-day. Okay. Pardon me, I thought that sneeze was coming, but guess what? It didn't happen. Thank goodness. Very glad about that. S&P, we get a similar story. Monday, we took a little hit at the start of Monday, but guess what? We rocked it from there. Absolutely rocked it. Up 1.79 on the week, 2.06 for the month, 3.67 for 3 months. Year to date up 18.8%. Oh yeah, you already know it. That's exciting. Top performers here. Symantec up 4.47. Alexion Pharmaceuticals, who also, I believe, last week were on the losers list, if I'm not incorrect. One of my new additions to my portfolio, which I suggested buying, Tapestry up 3.56%. Or 3.36%, just saying. May have called it. Raytheon, defense. Clearly, we love defense. People love buying it. Bottom performers, AMD took a hit. That stock's absolutely rocketed forward the past 2 years. If you're in that stock, you made a lot of money. Monster Beverage Corporation, 2.7% downward move. And Facebook down 1.79%. Sorry about that one. That's one suggestion I haven't gotten right yet. You just keep waiting. It's going to be good. NASDAQ here up over 8,000. You know it. It touched over 8,000 last week, and we continued up. So that's exciting. 5-day performance of 1.76% upward move. 1 month, we're now up. Thank goodness. 3 month, we're up 4.66%. Year to date, up 22.12%. Oh, golly, I love it. I love everything about that. Endo International, penny stock, don't play around with those. Up 47%. Don't know what that would have been. Microbot Medical might be something to look at. To me, sounds like a small tech company that might have something to do with the medical field. So, might be something to look at 44.08%. Something must have gotten approved or something for them. DocuSign. Everyone might know DocuSign. You don't know it necessarily off the top of your head, but you probably know DocuSign. Allows you to do digital signatures on documents online. That's pretty exciting. They must have had some good earnings because I know they reported earnings this week. Up 21.66%. That's real cool. And as far as bottom performers, garbage penny stocks, down 39%. I'm going to refer to anything under $5 as a penny stock, just so you know. Because that's the stuff I don't really play around with. What happened to Domo Incorporated? I don't know what Domo Incorporated is, though, but look at all these penny stocks. This is why you stay out of them. Yikes, yikes, yikes. They got ravaged. So what brought about all this? Stocks continue to rally. Assures will support economic expansion. So thank goodness the Fed will be supporting the economy growing. What a shocker, because it felt like they didn't want it. Instead of them, so this pretty much could mean if they raise rates, it's going to be minimal raise, and they might lower it, but I believe they're going to raise slightly. So also another factor here, what they define as a lukewarm U.S. jobs data. I don't necessarily think that the August report was lukewarm. They can say what they want. And optimism about U.S.-China trade relations. We'll get into that. So here, I don't know. They're going to insult this August jobs report, but let's show you what it is actually. 130,000 jobs created versus 160,000 consensus. I mean, I don't know. I wouldn't insult that. Unemployment's unchanged at 3.7%, historic lows. I mean, I could see why they want to complain about everything. That's because everyone wants to complain about everything, but I'll take my historic lows. I don't care if I miss by 30,000 jobs. So I'm taking this. This is very good. Obviously, employment's at a very low point, and it's going to be hard to keep that growth, but people are somehow expecting us to keep that growth. Overall, I'm taking it. So, and finally, U.S.-China trade relations. So they've set a meeting date for October, the first week of the month. So that's going to be exciting. We'll see what happens if anything comes out of that. I don't know if it will, but hopefully it does. And we got to finish off with the classic potential good time. The economy is great. The only thing adding to uncertainty is the fake news. You got that right. You got that right, Donnie J.